Ebusia, come with me again, or come with me again. Ebusia, this is your humble servant right here on this platform, Top Gossip 24. Ebusia, Ushamia, now we can say, then, fila. Now, let me just tell you guys this before we proceed to the subject matter on this particular platform. Ebusia, let me just tell you guys, say, anytime you watch my video, my humble opinion and my humble suggestion to you is say, but more than I said, you like, you comment, and share the video. Now, these are the things that help the algorithm to say the video is here to stay, and watch the video from the beginning till the end, because at the end part of the video and I will give you the fact of the matter and what is going on around certain areas in Ghana. Now, the first thing I want to talk about what is going on. Today is June 7, right? Today is June 7, and according to the filler we are hearing from the Ghana Tourism Authority, filler be APPM, and the person, according to what we are hearing now, all try to obey channels are particular air coso ewo ehonomono mebonidin at the end of the video, and we'll say one or two things. But why are we here, and why is it that somebody like the fake Igbo king Chukwudi Jude is bent on ensuring say obey ni festival no? I will tell you, baby, ana opesodi adie ni kofa ni adie, and all that he is putting around no? I want him to know, say, some of us, we are working around the clock and we know what is going on. Now, first of all, let me address this issue with the Ghana Tourism Board. Now, Mukai say ebra na omu yesa your friend saying Caribbean most people were talking about it, most people were complaining about it. Now, all these Caribbean things, according to Philip I'm receiving, some of these Abekistanis, and nobody's idea, say they can allow that to happen because Caribbean, we are all together, we should be able, because who say that is the only way by which they can push that, and then they push that particular festival thing, through the Ghana Tourism Board. And the Ghana Tourism Board will say tourism attractive, and people are coming into Ghana to come and actually sleep in hotels, eat Ghana food, and explore. And so, ladies and gentlemen, that is how come allegedly some of the Abekistanis push that agenda into the Ghana Tourism Board, thereby allowing somebody like KOD, that particular guy, and accepted that particular thing according to what I heard allegedly. And that particular program osu. You see, we are in contention with that one. And some people brought that particular thing into being. They will see the reactions of Ghanaians towards them when they want to be doing that kind of festival every year. But backlash, now I'm giving you this background so you know that this is what is cooking and this is what is going on. Now, a while ago, that was like 2-3 days ago, for this, like last week or no, one of my guys reached out to me and he was like, do you know, say this and this and this and this are happening out there with respect to the Ghana Tourism Board, and how the self-acclaimed and battle Igbo king is trying to use the Ghana Tourism Board as a catalyst. Send a beya obey ni a while ago, me a video be a catcher mo say who say doing the young festival in Accra very, very difficult, and so he's preparing his mind, and in his mind says say ambassador whatever will go on Central Region, baby and any wife in the fino he will be able to celebrate that particular but information again reaching me say Chukwudi Jude he's trying to use the same guy for the particular thing for to be able to deceive and tell people, say, number one, adio person is number one, or person catch on say anytime or young festival no Nigeria for bebree Nigeria from diaspora Nigeria from other places and when they come they stay in Ghana and almost stay in Ghana, they rent places, they eat Ghana food, they do this, they do that, and what we call tourism. And he's trying to sell that mindset to them. And according to what I'm hearing, the Ghana Tourism Board is buying that idea of accepting that particular thing to happen. That is what we are hearing, and that's the signal we are picking out there. Now, I reached out to my ghost team on this particular issue, and I spoke to my ghost team, who is actually in the caucus of the self-acclaimed embattled Igbo king. And according to what I'm hearing, there have been some meetings, okay, physical meetings and some Zoom meetings. Self-acclaimed embattled Igbo king, he's been doing meetings with some Igbos within the diaspora. They are the one financing him and making sure say he will advance the Igbo culture and Igbo things in Ghana. Until a meeting, a strategist now there say he should go around making sure he will bring all the entity so bring it together within the Ghana tourism sector and the tourism authority he has been in clench one or two movement. He want to use them to do all these things, because those living in the diaspora and are selling the idea and their man say he can use that because they know say Ghanaians love tourism, they know say Ghanaians epesika, they know say Ghanaians want to do ABCD, so they are selling that idea to him. And he also is using that idea to be able to approach the Ghana Tourism Board to ensure, say, he will give them that filler. Then they will accept it, and that is what he's doing to be able to do his young festival. Now, let me just say this before I leave. Chukwudi Jude, I know, say, you have said, say, you will not celebrate that thing until further notice. The further notice you said, because you don't even have to use further notice. Now, let me use this opportunity also to tell you, say, we, the Ghana Adango United Front, we will not sit back, hold back to allow you to celebrate this. That is the thing. We will not sit back to allow you to celebrate this. Let me use this opportunity also to say, the government has also said, say, he will not allow you, he doesn't know you, and that he will not allow you to celebrate that. He warned you about that. Now, if you want to ride behind the back of government, because you have some other government people you can call and want to ride behind those people to ensure, say, you celebrate it, that is also going to be another thing that we have to deal with. But I'm telling you, say, whatever is going on, whatever plan you are planning, whatever issue is going on, whatever you are using KOD, the guy out there in the tourism board, whatever you are using the creative act people, including the minister of tourism, whatever plan you are putting out there, I would deceive you almost say it will bring tourism and all that. We are watching and we have our ears on ground and we know what is going on. Let me use this opportunity also to tell the Ghana Tourism Board, say, this is not what we actually put you guys there for. We didn't put you there to be conniving and accepting people that have been banded or bound or disallowed by the local authority not to even celebrate anything. Say they shouldn't celebrate it. So don't even go ahead and accept anything in disguise. Guys, they want to accept this thing in disguise and do it as if say a festival, and they are creating it in a way, say, say they are not going to do it in an open place. They are trying to clean it up and do it in like a conference place and do it like, you understand what they are coming up with so many plans. And Ebusha, my ghost team are really working and they are giving me all the filler that we are telling. So stay with me on this page. We are getting close to that particular arena like we have it happened last year. We are getting closer, and stay with me. The filler and everything is on this platform. Top Gossip 24. We will make sure we petition the government once again about this issue. We will make sure we will petition the tourism authority once again about this thing. We will make sure we petition all the traditional areas where these things will happen in it, because we have to tell them in the face, no Ghanaian is celebrating any kind of thing. So we will not allow Chukwudi Jude to celebrate this. And KOD, we are telling you, please and please again, if you want him to celebrate, at least Fanti, you can go there and go allow him to do it, but not in Accra at this material moment. This is your humble servant right here, and we are trying our best to make sure we do everything possible to bring it to you on this platform. Top Gossip 24. So Chukwudi Jude, this is the last time we're going to talk about this. We will not accept that. We will not allow you. Ghana Tourism Board don't accept that. Any government institution that he have contacted, write a letter to, trying to lie to you people about tourism and all that. This is the thing. and this is what we are talking about here on this platform, Top Gossip 24. But more than said, you like the video, you subscribe and comment below. Your comments are very, very, very important to us. Let the conversation go down. What do you think about what Chukwudi is doing? What do you think about the Ghana Tourism Board? What do you think about KOD? And what do you think about the Ministry of Tourism? That's Sene Ebusia Yebeshia Pia Yeko.